Cristiano Ronaldo, a story of struggles to stardom. In the world of football, there are names that transcend the game itself. They become legends and inspirations. Cristiano Ronaldo is one such name. His journey isn't just about scoring goals and lifting trophies. It's a story of struggles, relentless hard work, and unshakable belief. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5th, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. His father, Jose Denis Aveiro, was a gardener, and his mother, Maria Dolores, worked as a cook. The family faced significant financial hardships. Here is one fun fact that Ronaldo was named after Ronald Reagan, the former US president, as his father admired him. From a young age, Ronaldo was obsessed with football. He would spend hours playing outside, often neglecting his schoolwork. His mother once said, "Without football, Cristiano is nothing." But for Ronaldo, football was everything. At the age of 8, Ronaldo began playing for his first club, Andorinha, where his father worked as a kitman. His talent soon caught the eye of Nacional, a local club, and he was signed. At 13, Ronaldo moved to Sporting Lisbon, one of Portugal's top clubs. Leaving Madeira and moving to Lisbon alone was tough. He faced homesickness, new challenges, and even battled a heart condition. At 15, Ronaldo was diagnosed with tachycardia, a condition causing an abnormally fast heartbeat, which threatened to end his career before it even began. But after undergoing successful surgery, Ronaldo made a strong comeback, determined to prove himself on the field. In 2003, Manchester United signed Ronaldo for £12.24 million, making him the most expensive teenager in football history at the time. Sir Alex Ferguson saw something special in the young player and mentored him closely. His achievements with Manchester United includes 3 Premier League titles, 2006-09, FA Cup and League Cup victories, UEFA Champions League title in 2008, won his first Ballon d'Or in 2008. During his time at United, Ronaldo transformed into a lethal finisher and a brilliant dribbler. His free kicks and athleticism made him one of the most feared players in the world. In 2009, Ronaldo transferred to Real Madrid for 80 million, setting a world record at the time. His achievements with Real includes 4 Champions League titles in 2014, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2 La Liga titles. He won 4 Ballon d'Or awards and 3 Golden Boots, beating Messi and others. He became the club's all-time top scorer with 450 goals in 438 matches. Ronaldo thrived in El Clasico matches against Barcelona, cementing his status as one of the greatest players in history. In 2018, Ronaldo joined Juventus, embarking on a new chapter in his career. He continued to dominate in Italy. With Juventus, he won 2 Serie A titles, set records, including becoming the fastest Juventus player to score 100 goals. In 2021, Ronaldo made an emotional return to Manchester United, proving that even in his mid-30s, he remained a top performer. In December 2022, Ronaldo surprised everyone when he decided to move to Saudi Arabia for Al Nassr for the highest football salary ever, at 200 million euros per year. And like all other leagues, he is top scorer in the Saudi League in current season. Ronaldo's contributions to international football are as remarkable as his club career. In 2016, he led Portugal to win the UEFA Euro Cup, a monumental achievement for his country. In 2019, he guided Portugal to victory in the Nations League. He became the highest goal scorer in international football history. If we look at the major achievements of Cristiano, then it includes 5-time Ballon d'Or winner, 7 league titles in England, Spain, and Italy, most number of Champions League goals, most number of international goals. Ronaldo is known not just for his football, but also for his fitness and dedication. Throughout his career, he has never consumed alcohol or drugs and has maintained a strict diet and workout routine. He is also known for his philanthropy, donating generously to various causes and helping children in need around the world. Currently, Cristiano is living his life with his girlfriend Georgina Rodriguez, his 6 children, and his loving mother. Cristiano Ronaldo's story is about a boy who rose from poverty and hardships to become one of the greatest footballers of all time. His life teaches us that with hard work, discipline, and confidence, anything is possible. Ronaldo is not just a player, he's a movement. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel.